Guys, I hope you're fine, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can move from one of your YouTube channels, how you can actually combine your YouTube channels, or if you want to move videos from one of your YouTube channel into another, just watch this video. So guys, as you can see, this was my channel, semesters super simplified, in which there were 199 New Zealand subscribers. The content of whatever videos that I uploaded on this channel was, I think, pretty good, but there were no I wasn't getting much views, so I decided to move all of this stuff from this channel to my original channel, with a large number of views and monetization enabled, which was A1 stuff. I mean AI1 or Bunker Boys, as you know. So for that, what I did was a bit time consuming process, but it actually worked for me. So the YouTube do not allows you to download any video from any of the channels, even if belongs to you, even if the challenge belongs to you. You cannot download the video and upload it to another channel directly. So when I downloaded the videos from this channel and uploaded it to my other channel, the video was just not the video processing failed every time. And even if you download this, you delete this video from your channel and re-upload it on the same channel, even then video processing error occurs. So for moving the videos from that channel to my other YouTube channel, what I did was, first of all, I downloaded all of that stuff into my laptop, or you can download it into your PC. You'll have to download all of the videos from that channel into your PC. You can see these are those videos, and after downloading these videos, what you're supposed to do is a little bit of editing into it. So I'll just show you. Let's take this video. So the video was this, as you can see. The video was this, something like this, edited like this. So what I did was just edited it with the Vegas Pro. You can see another of the video is being edited right now. It's being rendering right now. So I just so this was the video that I showed you, and so I edited it like this. I added this stuff at the beginning, and at the end I just did a little bit of editing, and that's it. I just didn't change it. So I didn't did much changes, only a little bit of change at the beginning and at the end, as I just showed you in the video. You can see in the beginning this, and at the end just this. So where was I? Actually, I received a call from a friend and I just forget. I think I showed you that the video is being processed right now. So what it did was, you can see this actual video size. Okay, not this. Yeah, the actual video size is 187 MB, and this one is you can see it is 1.76 GB. So the complete signature of the file is completely changed, and even still the YouTube can strike copyright on your content. So for that, what you're supposed to do is, now this is the most important step, guys. What I did is, while uploading the video, as you can see, over here, this is it. And here, guys, yeah, in the description section I just wrote this. I can just give you a copy of this content. I have just written that important copyright notice: this video was created by me and I uploaded it to my another YouTube channel. Now I have downloaded this video from the channel, and after editing it a little bit, I am uploading it on this channel, and have also deleted this video from that channel. So please don't put any copyright strikes on this video. So this made my video to be fully eligible to be uploaded on this channel without any copyright strikes. So in short, you have to download all your videos. Then you have to just take somewhere all that description, that title and those taglines. You just have to save those for each video, and then upload the same video on another channel after making a little bit of changes in it, and then write this copyright content. Important notice that makes the video unable to be traced under copyright section. So this is how you can move videos from one of your YouTube channel into other. I hope you liked this video, and if you did so, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can just comment below for any kind of queries. I'll be uploading any other video if you want, like in a similar manner how you can use any other person's video is in your channel. So bye bye guys, see you in the next video.